What's up, guys? Biker Dave here at Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia. This is a Denago Nomad. The 2025 now has the same screen as a Rover from the previous year. But regarding the FM radio, it does have an FM radio on it right here. Something you have to set, though, most likely to make it work properly for American radio stations. Go to settings right here. Okay, go to general, scroll down to radio, hit that. This is usually defaulted to Asia, so make sure you select that. Scroll down, select America, then you can back out of it, then you can go to it, and you can listen to FM radio just like in your car or your home stereo or whatever. As far as basic use on it, you know, it defaults to a scanning. So if you just hit that, it'll scan until it finds a strong enough station. Now I'm parked indoors right now, so it doesn't really pick up very well. But you can also go directly to frequency, like you to hit go to up here. And if you already know what frequency, like 94.1, enter, it'll automatically go to it for you. But you can also go 1/10 of a frequency at a time just by holding. When that starts flashing, then you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, until you get to the station that you are familiar with or you want. But yeah, the antenna is not the strongest in the world, but it does work. So just keep working with it, and it should come on for you. You can also save stations as well. Like once you get to a station you like, just hold whichever button you want it to save to. Hold that one. It'll automatically save it to where you held it. You got 3 FM banks of stations as well as 2 AMs right there. So you do the same process for all those. You can also tweak on the equalizer a little bit. If you want a little more bass, you can go up there. If you want to get all the way down to the high end frequency, 20,000 hertz, you can crank that up as you like, or you can use some predetermined settings right there. But yeah, it works pretty well. And there's your main app screen, and then hit home to go back to your main speedometer and power screen. We got tons of videos about Denagos and other golf carts on our channel, so make sure you check it out. And if you're in the north side of Atlanta, Georgia, look for Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia. We are on Highway 92, about a mile east of Main Street. So you can't miss us from Highway 92. You'll see us on the right hand side if you're heading towards Roswell from the Woodstock downtown area. And we're an authorized dealer of Denago, Star, and Club Car. So check us out, and I'll put social media links in the description, and give us a holler. We are ready to help you out, and we offer local delivery as well as financing. So check us out, and we're glad to work with you. You'll have a great day. We'll see you all later.